What is up, guys? If you're new, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. And for today's video, if you read that title, today we are going to be doing a reaction video and some, I don't know what I'm even titling this. It's some crazy video. So today we are going to be reacting to the 12-year-old that sneezes 12,000 times a day, which is a lot of sneezing. That's that's constant.
Boy, if you don't get
sneezing. Yeah, I guess we just gonna talk. I don't know what this video is intended for. I don't have no video ideas, so please drop some below to help a brother out. Well, I do have video ideas. It just takes time to process, and then I gotta so I'm gonna start. Yeah, you know. So but first we got to do the song of the week, which is "Paradise" by Bazzy. If you've seen "A Sun Is Also a Star." Dog huffing and puffing. If you've seen "The Sun Is Also a Star," it's like this song in there at the end, and it's Paradise. It's really a good song, so we're gonna dance to that and have a good time. It's only me today dancing, so sorry for that, but just be ready. Okay, let's dance. 3.
I see your body, I'm grabbing your ass, enjoying the moment, cause this shit feel like Friday nights. Don't know if it's a drink I pour. I'm feeling it, my eyes were the ceiling. Oh yeah, this shit made me feel alive. Feel like I'm too fast, I'm looking forward, ignoring the past. These are the signs of what life looking back. This shit feel like Friday nights. I'm getting lucky like coins in a well. The bottom of my head is I'm wishing you well. This shit made me feel alive. Feel like we in paradise. All we got tonight, let's do this right. Let's 20 minutes, you couldn't tell. This is our life and we living it. Well, we in paradise. Late nights in the city causing hell. Burn this bitch into the ground. Oh, well, we got tonight. Let's do this right. Let's do this right. Let's go to.
Okay, everything's ready. Sorry. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
That medical mystery, the 12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about, are you ready for this, 12,000 times per day.
12,000 times.
Benitez has her story for us.
For 12-year-old Caitlin Thornley, this sound has become painfully familiar.
Ew.
3 weeks ago, Caitlin began
not
sneezing,
ew.
and she hasn't stopped.
I was walking out of a clarinet lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started in just like little spurts. You know, it was like just a few sneezes here and there.
Right.
By the time I went to bed, I had sneezed 30 times that night.
30 times.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
Imagine.
I can control it sometimes, but it's really painful.
And so far, doctors at Texas Children's Hospital in Houston haven't been able to figure out exactly what is causing the uncontrollable sneezing, referring to the condition as a tic.
She had kind of a funny feeling that she describes in her nose, and that piece of her history is very common for tics.
It's not the first time doctors have seen bizarre cases like this. In fact, some believe tics may be triggered in the brain by something
like the
stressing
bug?
the child out. 10% of all kids are affected by tics.
She can't go to school and can't really do anything normal. Can't eat well. She
That is sad, though.
has to sip. She can't drink. It's affected everything.
I mean, she had an episode.
Sorry, I look a mess.
45 straight
I got out the shower.
She was screaming in pain.
Oh, this is so sad. I'm sorry for dancing to your sneezes.
And all I can do is just, hold her tight and wait for her to go to sleep.
And Caitlin, she just wants to get back to 7th grade.
This has taken a huge toll on my life. I want nothing more than for this to end. I just want it to be gone for good.
So hard for her to do that interview, and she tells us she can't go to school. The sneezing is just too distracting. She can't be on the swim team. She can't play her clarinet. And just think about this, she can't even sleep. The sneezes just wake her up.
How brave of her, though, to go out and talk about it, because that has to be such a
really
debilitating
hoping to find a solution. Yeah, I can see how it's affecting her parents too. Can't imagine. Thank you, Gio.
Oh, that was so sad. This was 3 years ago, though. I hope they fixed it. I hope they got her together. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, man. Let's see if they did fix it. Let me search it. What's her name? Caitlin. This was 3 years ago, 2015. Did they fix the girl that sneezes a lot? I don't know if they fixed it. I hope they did. But I know that video was like literally legit 2 minutes. Sorry. I didn't know what video to react to. I was going to film a different type of people in fights video. But people came late. It was 12 o'clock. I was tired. I stayed up till 4. It was just a whole lot of. So I want to make better videos for you guys, but I need help. You guys are not commenting video ideas. Y'all not commenting what y'all want to see. That's why my channel is so much variety, because I don't know what to post. Like, if you guys give me one specific topic, I could like build on that topic. So my audience will grow more, but you guys are not helping at all. I mean, I love all 2,100 something of y'all, but y'all not helping me at all. Besides, you know, watching and get my views up. I guess y'all just like what I produce, or maybe y'all don't. Maybe y'all just watch to watch. I don't know, but I need help. Comment some videos, believe some what? Comment some video ideas below, please. Shut up! I'm gonna tell you when, okay? Comment some video ideas below, please. Help a brother out. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. AGANG, best game in the world. Road to 5,000 subscribers. First road to 2.2K. Love you guys. Peace.